Very good evening, guys. Today we are going to discuss strategy, how to cover strategic management in last 1.5 days. Okay, first of all, few rules before you watch this. Okay, it should be very quickly we will discuss. Okay, number one, never ever discuss whatever happened in audit paper. Don't even waste 1 minute behind that, because that is not going to increase your marks. Okay, if it will increase my marks by 5 marks or 6 marks, then I will discuss full night. Why to discuss about something which is already over? So don't discuss even 1 second whatever happened in audit paper. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it average? Forget it first of all. Second, always remember your plan is the best. So if you have already prepared a plan, stick to it, because you know yourself the best. If you don't have any plan, this is the second best plan. Third, trust your preparations, trust your teacher. Don't do anything new at this stage. Just consolidate what you already know. Do it multiple number of times. That will increase your confidence. So in case you are starting with FM, then you can do that also. Okay, SM, if you are starting with strategic management, because it's theory, so let's finish that off first. Okay, so load will be little less. Okay, then 6:30 to 8:30. But if you are starting with FM, then of course time will remain the same. You can adjust your strategy. 6:30 to 8:30, strategic choices, chapter 4, very easy. If you can do on your own, amazing. You have to do from the module. Questions we have made you write in the class itself. Or you can also watch English marathon uploaded in Rugesh Madlani YouTube channel. Marathon also uploaded, revision lecture also there. Or you can do on your own. That is the first priority. 6:30 to 8:30, chapter number 4. Then half an hour break. Okay, 9 to 11, strategic analysis, internal environment. Remember, you have to finish 2 chapters. Why? Because we have FM and SM both. Now don't relax, because after 1.5 days you anyways have to relax only till 1 month. Even if you want, you have no activity. Okay, sleep like hell, but this 1.5 days is very crucial. So then sleep, of course. Okay, day 2 starts at around 7 a.m. We are already done with 2 chapters. Most of the people are just discussing what should be the strategy, how to cover. In the meanwhile, you are going with the best plan and you have already finished watching 2 long chapters. Okay. 3, 7:15 to 9:15, you have to do chapter 2, strategic analysis, external environment. Very easy chapter. 9:30 to 10:30, chapter 1, nothing is there, the simplest of the lot. You can watch revision lecture, that is also brilliant in this chapter. And then 10:45 to 1:15, the bigger chapter, chapter 5, strategy, evaluation and control. Once till 1:30, your entire SM is over. FM is of course a practical subject, so it can be done much faster, and confidence will also come. So that is it. Okay, trust your preparations. Okay, you are going to do very well, and work very hard, because someone is watching. And when you work hard, you can never ever fail. Okay, so always remember, those who work hard can never fail. You do your best, let God do the rest. So God will do its best. Okay, paper will come very easy, but you have to do your best. As soon as you go to the exam, all that 1:45, 2 to 2, 1:45 to 2 o'clock. 15 minutes are there for reading the paper. In the meanwhile, you can write their all answers. In the as soon as now, what you have to do after this is done, the morning, of course, you will do FM also. In the morning, again, you have to do magic book 3 times. The magic book which is given to you, the backside charts are given, 30 pages, entire SM done. You have to do that minimum 3 4 times in the morning when the exam is there. Okay, so you can do it from 10 to 12. Magic book minimum how many times? 3 times or 5 times you have to do. After that is that at 1:45, every single thing you will remember, every answer you'll remember. MCQs are going to be damn easy. And don't worry about case study. Okay, if concepts are clear, any case study in the world you can solve. I know you are going to do very well. Just comment after the paper is over. I will be very eager to read the comments. All the best. Do well. Thank you.